Today we will make indomie, but not your ordinary indomie. I will teach you how. Here I have siomai. This one is chicken siomai. I make this one. I just keep it in the freezer. And this is chicken stock. Later I will make a video. I'll show you how to make it. Chicken stock and beef stock. This will change the taste of your indomie and a healthy one, so your baby can eat it. Okay, so let's boil egg, and here we have a water a little, and then we'll mix this one. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Okay, then we'll get back later. Okay, so nalagay ko na yung noodles, yung carrots, luto na rin. Tapos actually guys, itong sabaw na to, may lasa na siya. Masarap na siya, kahit hindi nyo na to ilagay. So, ito, optional na lang yan. Hati lang siya. Ito lahat siya, okay? Ayan, lahat yon. So, kalahati lang ang ilalagay natin. So, see? This one, tapon na yan. Okay. So, eto na siya. So, ayusin lang natin. Oh, ayan na ang ating indomie. Diba? Samahan pa natin ng bread, toasted bread. Okay, so naman ang sabaw. Next video, I'll show you how to make a chicken stock. Masarap yan guys, gamitin sa sopas, sa lugaw, kahit na wala siyang sahog, masarap siya. Basta yung chicken, papakita ko sa inyo kung saan ako bumibili ng chicken bone. See you guys. Thank you for watching.